Hello. So if you're in my stream, you usually notice that I have this Whiff cam over here, and I've received some requests of like people asking to make their own, so I'll show you. The overlay itself is actually just a PNG that I just made in Sprite, right? It's just this thing over here. So how you want to make the Whiff cam? Let's say so for starters, like inside this square is actually 300 by 300 pixels. So say I want to make a three times zoom on my center of my screen, right? So first, I'm going to take my screen over capture, whatever it is. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it as a reference, right? So these two are going to share the same name. If you try to change this, it'll just change the other one. So I tend to have it in a group, but you don't need to. So from here, you go to a transform. Alright, so I have a 300 by 300 overlay over here, right? And I want a 3x zoom, so I want it to be sized by 100 by 100. Right? I want to size the screen over capture the copy as 100 by 100 pixels. So 2560 pixels right now, so I want to minus 100. 2560 minus 100 divided by 2. So I want to crop 1230 from each side, right? 1230, 1230. Similarly for the other one, I want 100, so 670 by 670. This depends on your screen size and everything, right? So after that, you'll see that I have this like little thing that is basically the center of my screen, right? If I put it here, you can't even tell the difference. So that's my center of my screen over here. Alright, and then after this, I want to enlarge this by 3x, right? So back to transform. The size, the width over here, right? I want 2560 multiplied by 3, 7680. Oh, my bad. 7680. And 1440 times 3 is 4320. 4320. Right, and you can see that now I have this really enlarged of my center. Right, let me just aim at something. For example, this. Right, you can see the center now. So my overlay is going to be on top of this layer, and I'm going to try to just like align it. If you need a fine adjustment, you just go into transform, edit, and you just like add 1 or minus, just like try to align it as best as you can, and that's your Whiff cam. This is very useful for VOD review, so you can kind of like see like why you're missing, right? How far did you overflick, underflick, whatever. But you'll notice that if you're in ADS, the crosshair is slightly off. I don't know how to display this, but the crosshair is slightly off. Let me just set it to toggle real quick. ADS mode to toggle. Right? I will aim at this person, and you can kind of see that it is slightly off. Yeah, so that's how it works. It's up to you if you want to like change this or not, but it's fine. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I hope this will help you, and I'll see you guys next time.